We used to hide under the covers, staring at each other.
Hi everyone, I'm John Goran, and I'm about to demonstrate safety measures, safety precautions, calibrations, and checking using an analog multimeter. So, when you are using a multimeter, you should apply safety measures and safety precautions in order to avoid any unwanted outcomes. So now, for example, this analog multimeter I'm holding right now, it should be placed in a dry area where it will not be subject to any physical damage. Do not drop your multimeter, because dropping a multimeter, especially an analog meter, it can affect your future readings and the accuracy of your multimeter. Or worse, your multimeter may not function anymore. When you want to check high voltages, don't use low range to make sure it will not be overloaded. Then, never switch settings. If you want to check voltage, then you should only use voltage meter. If you want to check for current, use only current meter. Let's start by identifying multimeter basic parts. First, we have here the scale. This upper scale is used for measuring resistance, while this lower scale is used for measuring the current and voltage. Then we have here the pointer. It indicates the value of electrical quantity being measured. Then we have the selector knob. This allows you to choose which functions to use. Then we have the test probes. It is an input part of a multimeter. This red one is for positive and the black is for common. Then we have here the 0 ohm adjuster knob. It is used to put the pointer to 0, and if it's not in 0 scale. And that's one. Okay, now let's try to calibrate and check using our multimeter. First, we have to set the multimeter to its ohmmeter function. Let's set it to ×1. Then, to start calibrating, short the test probes. These are the test probes. The pointer must point to 0 scale. If not, like this one, you need to adjust it by using 0 ohm adjuster knob until it points to 0. Okay, now the pointer is pointing at 0 scale. It means that this is ready to use.